Hello, hello, hello. My name is Lisa and I am the Self Mastery Princess coming with another video. Happy Friday, TGIF, TGIF. We are here, another end of the week. It's a great day to be alive. I hope you're happy, you're ready, you're energized, because we're about to get right into it. So, today I'm going to be talking about a very great topic on the journey to self mastery. With anything in life, when you start to learn it, expect to have that learning curve. Today video, I'm going to be talking about expect backsliding. A lot of the time, we will stop a new habit. We will stop our game plan because we are not getting it perfect initially. And this is one of the worst mistakes you can make. You have to understand something about you, the human mind. Any new thing takes time for that to get acclimated into who you really are until it's who you really are. So let's say, for example, you guys know I love health and fitness. When I started working out, I think I've told this story before. I would go stand in the gym for 1 minute. I wouldn't even go work out. Like, I would literally put gym clothes on, go stand in the gym. I would do it sometimes, get back, do it again, get back, do it again, start the diet, get off the diet. But I realized something. Over the last 3 years, when I look at my Apple workouts, if I was to give you a percentage, I'm probably 93% in coherence with my workout regimen. All the days missed, the vacations, all of those things. That's why measurement is key when you're trying to change or build a habit. I use my Apple Watch. So no matter all the times I didn't go or I went a little bit, according to my data, I'm still about 93% on my fitness regimen. Did I backslide? Yes. Did I not go sometimes? Yes. Did I go maybe only 4 times or then the typical 5 times? But sometimes I went 7 times. Sometimes I didn't go for a week. But if I look at my data and I look at now the habit is in me, now that's who I am. So expect to backslide when you're implementing something new. Don't just think you're going to take on a new behavior change, a new way of living, and you're going to be perfect at it. No. You're going to have to learn. You're going to have to fall. You're going to have to tumble. It's going to have to, but just keep going. Okay, you said you started your diet and you didn't do it again. New day. It's a new day. I'm going to start again. I'm going to start again. I'm going to start again. And what you're doing is you're getting your mind and your body in sync with that new idea. Because a lot of the time, thoughts become things. So once it's in your mind, yeah, that's what you want to do. You have to leave all of those bad habits and then you have to let it catch up. And now it's a thing. But we be wanting to go like... we be having an idea right now. Got it today. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. You got to just stay consistent. Stay consistent. You don't need to be the best. When it comes to self-mastery, it's not about being the best. It's about being consistent. So you can factor in backsliding. You will, I'm sorry, I'm here to tell you, backsliding is going to happen on the journey. Just when it comes, let it come. Enjoy it. I used to be on my little diet or whatever, and I would feel so bad if I ate something that's off. No, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat the cheesecake, okay? I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna get the Dominoes, all right? And then guess what? Tomorrow I'm gonna start again. And now I'm back on my healthy lifestyle. Today I'm a new person. It's a new day. That's it. So if you know and accept this, you'll be less discouraged. You won't be so hard on yourself. Okay, I went 14 days on my journey and then I went 4 days off of it. But if I look at the month, 23 out of the 30 days, I was consistent. That's a win. That's a win. That's a win. You don't need to have, that's a lot. It's a lot of pressure to put that on yourself. That's not what we're doing here. We're going to ease our way into it. We're going to flow into this new place of being. We're going to be easy with ourselves. Self-kindness, self-acceptance, self-compassion will serve your efforts. It will make you feel better. You know what? Okay, I wanted to clean my whole house today, but I only got a chance to do the bathroom, the living room. I didn't get a chance to do the kitchen. But you got 75% done. Okay, I wanted to, start my YouTube channel, and I wanted to film 5 days a week consistently for the next 30 days. Okay, I did it for 14 days. That's a win. Be easy with yourself. You're learning. Like when you're learning something in school, they give you the material, you go over it, you review it, and then it's like you'll start to come into it. But you must have self-compassion, because think about it. Would you want to, what environment would you learn better in? An environment where you had a teacher who you didn't necessarily understand the topic, but they were patient and they were encouraging. They were telling you, okay, like I know I had chemistry in high school. I remember my teacher, Mr. Rowe. And this teacher was so fun and exciting because he made learning the periodic table like so much fun, about like iodine and bromine. And he would do all these funny stories, and he would like make us play games. And it was like, that's why I'm still remembering it, right? So we learn when we're having fun, when we're relaxing, when we're easing our way into it. But if you had teachers like militant and you did it wrong and a big fat F, and you're not going to, expect backsliding, expect blunders along the way, expect that you give yourself that grace, that you are learning in the process. You're getting there. Okay, you're trying to be a more positive person, and you were positive, but you got somebody triggered you. Observe it, and then go back to trying to be positive again. Okay, maybe somebody really pulled your buttons. Maybe it was a situation where, you were in your zen and you were, on your self-mastery journey, and somebody tried you on the wrong day. They pulled the wrong trigger. No big deal. You had a moment, which is normal, and you get back on track. I have a personal with eating, right? With staying on my healthy journey, I have a thing that I follow. Never miss twice. If I go off, and I eat whatever I want, I must go back to healthy eating the next time, my next meal. So if I eat bad that night, I do whatever, the next day needs to resume back to healthy meal. Even if I resume to the healthy meal and then I go back and I eat some bad again, that next meal has to be a healthy meal. You see how that gives me that flexibility? And I enjoy it. I enjoy the moment. I enjoy the meal. I plan for it. 90% of the time I'm on track. So it all works out. It's always working out. It's always working for you. This is the thought process. This is the self-concept. It's always working out for you. So even the backsliding, it shows you, okay, I thought I was good. I thought I could do this, but I need to go back and do this. I need to go back and learn this concept. I need to go back and meditate. I need to go back and meditate on the word. I need to pray a little bit more. I need to do it like this. So the backsliding kind of shows you where you need to be, how you need to stay on track. Okay, I just did my, another example. I did my hair. Okay, when you do your hair in the salon, they do it and they do all their things, but now you got to come home and then you got to, fix it up. My ladies, you know what I mean. So I had to realize, okay, with this new hairstyle, I got to wrap it like this so it doesn't get wet, so that when I take it out, it's like this and it works like that. But I didn't go freak out because I got my hair wet in the shower. It's new. I'm learning. You know what I'm saying? So expect that. Expect that you're going to learn, and welcome backsliding. Welcome. If you're trying to be a more relaxed person and a more positive person, and you see you backslided, think, what made me want to do that? What was it? What am I really mad at? Why am I really worried all the time? Why is my faith so little? Why don't I believe in? Dig deeper, but don't condemn yourself. getting down on yourself, shaming yourself, calling all people around the world, letting them know that you backslid, it is all deterring you from your journey of self-mastery. So if it is the holiday season and you have a holiday party and you're eating what you want and you haven't done your goals and all of that, whatever, you'll get back to it, but just get back to it. But have fun. It's the value that I want to tell you. Fun. The feeling. Have fun with it. This is a process. This is a journey. We're doing this thing for life. So expect the backsliding. Know that everybody backslides, and just know, never miss twice and get back on track. My name is Lisa. I'm the Self Mastery Princess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a happy holiday. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Save me some eggnog. I'll see you guys on Monday. Talk to you soon. Bye.